layer.
Wait, we're coming.
She's like, what is it? It's like a video. Inner layer, loose areolas, the crown. All right, I'll just wait.
Ready?
Okay. All right. This is your veins, arteries, and here's a cut open vein. The orange on each of them is your endothelium. This brownish layer on here, you'll see, is the loose areolar connective tissue. Immediately outside from that, you'll see like a little white layer, a mesh. This is the internal elastic lamina membrane. It's like a rubber band layer that it allows the vessel to retain its shape. You see the same type of membrane on the vein. It may or may not be there depending on the vein. Then you have your cardiac muscle, which is the red, the thick red. You'll see that the cardiac muscle is a lot thicker on the artery than the vein. On your artery, then you have another white layer, the external elastic lamina or elastic membrane, and this is outside the muscle. So you can distinguish internal from external. The one closest on the inside of the muscle would be your internal. The one on the outside of your muscle would be the external. And then on this, the most external layer is your tunica externa on both.
What is it?
Tunica externa, and this is the dense connective tissue covering for both the artery and the vein. And it's the same thing. It's called the same thing, the tunica externa. You'll see that your tunica externa is the outside layer on both. Then the cardiac muscle and the external elastic lamina, this is your tunica media, and your tunica intima would be your endothelium all the way up to your internal elastic lamina. So these three little layers here.
Are there what?
Your tunica intima.
And what was that? Tunica?
Media would be this right here. These two, your cardiac muscle and the external
So
elastic.
media's on the bottom. I mean externa, then media, then interna.
Yes. So external, media, interna.
And then, what did you say this was?
This is just loose areolar connective tissue.
Okay.
And that red dot over there, that's also.
No, that's
cardiac.
a blood vessel.
Oh, it's a blood vessel.
You see?
Blood.
Oh, this is just blood. And these are the valves found within the veins that prevent backflow of blood from deoxygenated blood back to the heart.